Hey guys, it's Shanae from WTI. So I wanted to show you these A7 craft invitation envelopes. Now I got these in a pack of 100 and I bought them because my son and I like to make our own homemade cards to give to our friends. And so these were the perfect envelopes to put those in. And now they're 5 by 7 inches, so perfect size for cards as well as invitations or maybe some photo prints. Now I like how strong these are. They're made from a thicker paper, so they're nice and sturdy. They're not flimsy by any means, so that is important if you are using it for something like a wedding invitation. As well, they are self-sealing thanks to this peel and stick closure right here. And the adhesion on this is really good. Once it's shut, you don't have to worry about it reopening. The paper is really easy to write on if you wanted to write someone's name or address. So overall, I'm really happy with these envelopes. They've been working out great and I would totally recommend them, and that's my point of view.